Hi, I'm Brianna with IT Supplies. Graphtec has been making cutters for over 30 years and is continuously upgrading their equipment to maintain their position as an industry leader. This video is all about the 2024 Graphtec lineup, where I will detail what's new, special features of each series, and hopefully help you decide which cutter is right for you. Graphtec currently has 2 series of roll-fed cutters and 2 series of flatbed cutters, all with various size options. There are 4 advancements that were made to each of the latest series that are important to point out. Number 1, Graphtec's ARM system, Advanced Registration Mark Sensing System. This was improved for faster registration mark reading and cut accuracy. Part of how they did this was by adding an LED sensor to detect marks of hard-to-read media, like colored, reflective, and holographic vinyl. Number 2, they added the data link barcode system for print and cut jobs. Barcodes can be generated and printed as part of the design for continuous, hands-free production. Number 3, a second USB port was added to each machine so you can cut without being connected to the internet or a laptop. Simply save your jobs to a thumb drive and insert it into the machine. Number 4, tangential emulation mode. This mode lifts the blade at each corner, which is perfect for jobs that have very fine detail or require tiny cuts. Keep all those in mind as we go through the current lineup. First up is what we tend to sell the most of, the FC9000 series. These roll-fed cutter plotters are great for sign making, DOT traffic signs, high-intensity reflective vinyl, decals, and stickers. As Graphtec's fastest roll cutter, it can cut up to 58 inches per second with 4 Gs of acceleration and 600 grams of downforce. The FC9000 has 4 available sizes: 30-inch, 42-inch, 54-inch, and 64-inch. It's important to note that these sizes are based on the cutting area. For example, a 60-inch roll can be loaded on a 54-inch cutter, but the cutter operates in that 54-inch area. If you purchase an FC9000 from us, it will come with a stand, a rear media bracket, and a catch basket. If you are doing continuous production with multiple jobs in a row, we recommend adding a take-up system. This is an optional add-on for 54-inch and 64-inch models, which automatically rolls your cut graphics up neatly. Graphtec's other option for roll cutters is the CE7000 series. These were designed as an entry-level class for signs, decals and stickers, heat transfer vinyl, point of purchase displays. These cutters come in 3 sizes: 15-inch, 24-inch, and 50-inch. Depending on the size, the max cutting speed is between 36 to 40 inches per second, with 2 Gs of acceleration and 450 grams of downforce. So you can cut material up to 25 mil thick. If you want to cut rigid material like cardstock, a carrier sheet table can be added to the 15 and 24-inch models. The 15-inch model is a desktop cutter, whereas the 24 and 50-inch models come with a stand and media basket. One more thing to note on the CE7000 50-inch model is that Graphtec offers a specialty setup for the automotive aftermarket industry, which includes all the necessary tools for cutting tint, paint protection film, pinstripes, and similar applications. It's called the CE7130 AKZ. This AKZ kit can also be added to the FC9000 series if you need a higher production unit. Let's move on to the flatbed cutters. Graphtec has 2 lines for flatbed cutting, the FCX2000 series and the FCX4000 series. Each of these series have some key advantages, including dual head design for using multiple tools in the same job, like cutting and creasing, a dedicated USB port for cutting directly from a thumb drive. The FCX2000 is ideal for package prototyping, thin and medium rigidity materials like static cling, vinyl, sandblast material, reflective vinyl, corrugated, and flute boards. Since it has the capability to cut thin materials, Graphtec includes a roll media stalker with the cutter. The dual cutting heads have 500 and 1,000 grams of downforce pressure. If you are using the FCX 2000 for packaging or point of purchase displays, you will like the new reverse side cutting capabilities, which keep printed graphics clean by cutting on the back side of the material. This cutter operates at up to 16 inches per second and is available in 3 sizes: 36 by 24, 36 by 48, and 36 by 70. Last in the flatbed lineup is Graphtec's FCX 4000 series. These models are made for higher production shops who do print on demand and medium to heavy rigidity materials such as microflute, foam board, cardboard, and sandblast rubber. These cutters are the most economical option for thick, rigid materials that cannot be fed through a roll cutter. The dual heads on the FCX 4000 series each output 600 grams of downforce pressure at speeds up to 29 inches per second. There are 2 sizes available: 26 by 20 and 26 by 38. We often see these cutters in packaging, prototyping for offset printing, road sign making, and fashion industries. That covers the 2024 line of Graphtec cutters. There is still a lot to know about these machines, like the free software they come with, Graphtec's loop tool, warranty details, and the many resources available. Please reach out to us to speak with a sales rep about your exact needs so we can assist in choosing the right equipment for you. Thanks for watching.